Hey friends, thanks for taking a minute to stop on my channel today while you join me for my unboxing of my Stitch Fix box. And if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I'm going to tell you what it is. It is a subscription box service, but you're under no obligation to continue monthly, daily, weekly, or whatever. You can cancel at any time, or you can change the frequency. Say if you wanted to get a box delivered to you every 2 weeks, you can do that. If you wanted one just once a month, maybe every 2 months, or when the seasons change, you can do that. Or if you have a special occasion coming up, you can absolutely do that. And you are assigned a stylist. This is for clothing, by the way, clothing and accessories. I guess I should have told you that in the beginning. They have shoes, they have shapewear, undergarments, they have high-end clothing and some very reasonable priced clothing. And you let them know what your price range is, what your style is. You do like a style quiz type thing. And then they start sending you these boxes whenever it is you decide you want them. Just because it's free shipping, and if you decide to choose everything that is in the box, you do receive a substantial discount. I think it's 25% off, and if there's something you wanted to exchange and it didn't fit you but you liked it, you can send it back, free shipping both ways. Love that. So your box is delivered to you, and then when you are ready to check out in a few days, they send you this. Let me show you this. It's a self-addressed paid envelope for you to just put the items back that you don't want, and you just drop it in the mail. It is so easy. I love it. I don't even have to go to the post office. I can just drive up and smash it right into the mailbox, and I love it because I like to shop, but anymore, not so much. Pieces are high quality, and I've really never had a problem with anything. There was one time I got an earring that didn't have a back to it, and they sent me out a new set of earrings. It was great customer service. They answered right away. So let's get to the goodies. And if you have any questions about how the service works, please leave me a question down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer you. And I've also got a really good code if you wait until the end that can save you a lot of bucks on your first Stitch Fix for a while, because I love it. I was a little specific with this one. I wanted to try some shorts because spring is coming, and I always ask for dresses because you know, I'm a little extra, and I like stuff like that. I'm kind of girly, and I needed some new jewelry. I'm kind of sick of the jewelry that I have, and I'm kind of stuck back 10 years ago with a big costume jewelry that I love, but I know it's out of style. So I asked for some of those pieces. So here's what I got. Okay, and it came in a box like this. Spoiler, I did open it because I can't. The minute I get these things, I have to tear into them like a crazed child because it's like Christmas. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it beats the heck out of having to go into a department store and try this stuff on. It's hard to find a clean dressing room. You have to take off all your clothes. It's hot. Then you get the wrong, yada, yada. You know what I'm trying to say. So the first piece in this particular box was this dress. Hopefully I can show you the whole thing. I'm a short girl, so it's hard to stand all the way up here. It's like a straight dress, okay? It's navy blue, and it's got this awesome ruching right here down the side. And I love ruching, you guys, because my treble section is right here in the middle. I have a big pump in my stomach. If you've heard my story, you know what that's about. So my abdomen is a little bit big, and let's not blame it all on the pump. I've got a couple extra pounds there. Nevertheless, I put on my Spanx. It's a thing. However, I digress. It's got this awesome ruching down the side, which gives it a little more shape too. So it's not just like a shapeless dress, and it's sleeveless, which I love and always request because I get warm and I prefer to layer my clothes. I'm at that time in my life where I could be warm or I could be cold with or without warning. So it's got the sleeves, and I've got a lot of other jackets that I've ordered from them that I could just put over the top of this. You could wear it with a cardigan. You could dress this up with a really nice jacket, or you could even dress it down with even maybe a sweatshirt, a hoodie if you wanted to, with a cute pair of little white tennis shoes that everybody's wearing again. Or dress it up, put on your favorite pair of high heel sandals and totally go to town with it. Maybe wear a nice long necklace with it. I love it. It's great. It's so versatile, and it's a great color, and it's not your standard black. I mean, I'm wearing black. I love the color black, but sometimes, you know, you want something a little bit different, particularly for summer. Blue is kind of like black, if you know. If you know, you know. And this brand is Avlin, A-V-L-I-N. I'm not sure what, I've never heard of that brand, but nevertheless, I've never gotten anything that was crappy on here. So it says it's the Lane Ruched Fitted Knit Rib Dress in navy. I do really like that. Like I said, there's just so many things that I can do with it. I'm going to read you the prices on that. You can also pick a price range that you want to stick with these boxes. You can go really high end or not if you're on a budget. So that dress right there is 50 bucks, and I don't have to pay shipping. yeah, shipping is completely free. I'm gonna tell you what my invoice says right here. So if I were to order everything that's in this box that I'm gonna show you, I would get a 25% discount if I purchased the whole box, and that would save me $49.25 plus free shipping. That's like getting one of these items almost for free. That's a good deal to me, especially because I don't leave my house. I can go out into the scary store. The next item in the box is a pair of shorts, because I asked for some shorts. I need some new shorts. You know, I'm just tired of the ones that I have. These are a little bit big. They're going to have to go back. They're a little wrinkled because not the way Stitch Fix sent it to me. Oh, no, it's not them. Guilty as charged over here. I rolled them into a ball and smashed them in the box because I was afraid my cat would lay on it. I know, dirty. My cat just lays on everything. If you've got a cat, you understand. So they're a little bit wrinkled, but Stitch Fix, don't you worry, will not get mad at me for returning it that way. Trust me, I've done it a million times. What I love about these is these are a brand that I have some blue jeans in that they have sent me. The brand is called Love My Fit 151, and I believe this is a, no, I thought it had a tummy panel in it, but it doesn't, because they have a lot of brands that have a tummy panel if you're worried about your tummy being a little bit big, but this pair is not. And these are mid-rise shorts. They've got the cute little cuff here, if you can see. And again, these are shorts. They've got a front pocket, which is really cute. And I love the back pockets where they're placed, because here's a little fashion tip. If you want your bum to look a little bigger or smaller, it's the placement of the pockets on the back side that can make your butt look real wide. You know, if the pockets are way too far over on the edges, it makes you look like you got a whole lot of real estate back there. You know what I'm talking about. You might like that. Good for you. Me and myself, I'm trying to minimize that backside real estate I've got. So if the pockets are closer together, it makes your Vakasana look a little bit more put together, if you feel me. So these, like I said, are a little bit big, and it did even come with an extra button if you eat too much and bust that button. Been there, done that. But these are a really nice short that could go with anything. Great for vacation. You could even put on a like a cute little tank with a like one of the blazers that are so on trend this year on top of that, and that would like even dress it up. It would look really, really cute. Love that. And this is something that I have been wanting for so long. I recently lost a lot of weight, and one of my big goals, my big, hairy, audacious goals, was to get some jean shorts. Now, these are not the jean shorts that I had in mind. They're not bad, but they're not kind of what I was looking for. I'm not looking for Daisy Dukes. It's nothing like that. That ship has sailed. But just some basic cutoff jeans just to look relaxed. These are called the STS Blue. I don't know what that stands for. And these are the Brie short with a 9-inch mid-rise to them. They're very cute, very soft denim. I do like that a lot. And as you can see, they're the cutoffs, but they don't have the holes all over them. I don't really care for that look. They used to call them bullet pants back in the day when I was coming up back in the 80s. I don't think they call it that anymore, but I don't like a whole lot of holes all over them. But I was just wanting some of these cut-off looking jeans, because clearly these are not old jeans that I pulled out and cut off. These don't have a tummy panel in them either. I don't know. They're 72% cotton, 23 polyester, rayon, and a little bit of spandex, so that's good. You've got a little bit of room. I do like that in a fabric. I'm probably going to end up purchasing these just because I love them. You can do so many things with these as well. Oh, wait, they do have a little bit of distressing here on them. I didn't catch that, but it's not terrible. You know what I mean? Just a little bit of distressing. It's not that like a big holy mess on it or anything else. And then again, something I told you that I had asked for this time was some jewelry. So here's what they sent. And it comes in these pretty, they all come in a pretty box, just like the shoes. If you get any shoes from them, my next box will probably have shoes in it. They come in a bag for your shoes. I love it. That way when you put your shoes away, when the seasons change, you don't have to get any dust on your shoes. They're always kept clean. And my dog, he doesn't eat shoes, but he carries shoes, so he slobbers on them, and sometimes they can get kind of disgusting. And he also puts them all over the house. So that saves me a lot of grief and aggravation. Love him to pieces. But this is a little necklace that they sent me, and this is by 41 Hawthorne. And you can see it's got, this is supposed to be right in the middle, like a choker, your focal point here. And then up the sides are these, excuse my hands, I have psoriasis really, really bad, and it's really acting up. But it's got a little bit of these gold beads along with some pearls, which I've always, these earrings are to die for. I love these. These are by Market and Spruce. Aren't they cute? They've got a lot of movement to them. Let me hurry up and take this out. Let me show you what this does that I thought was really interesting because I did try them on already. I still just don't know if I want them or not. I want them on. I don't even have to put the back on to show you. Let me show you what this does. Can you see how it looks like it's a planet with like a ring around it? Do you know what I'm talking about? I love how it's got a lot of dimension in the earring. Those hoops don't just lay there. They would make a really interesting discussion piece, in my opinion, because they've got like all that movement to them. I thought they were really interesting, and they don't bang together to make a noise that's going to ring in your ears either. I don't know if that's important to you or not, but sometimes I can be a little neurotic, and something like that might like drive me to be kind of cranky. I think I'm definitely going to get these earrings and most likely the jean shorts this time. A really good discount code down in the description part of this video, and I hope you'll take advantage of it, save you some money. I mean, why not? And potentially you could save even more money by purchasing the whole box, and then you get the big discount. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much. And ring the bell. That way you'll receive notifications every time I post a video just like this.